out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Scooby snacks. I don't care if I never come back.
Scooby-Doo and Shaggy hit a home run in his spooky sports adventure. What's new, Scooby-Doo? Sports Spooktacular. 4 all-new mysteries. Look for it on DVD.
Scooby-Doo!
Give me a beat.
Oh, Lord, where a beat come from out of nowhere?
We're gonna freestyle. I said an old MacDonald had a farm.
Oh,
E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, wait.
And on that farm, he had a zebra.
Oh, what? A zebra?
A zebra. But he wants to be a racer.
Oh, Lord, look at him. All right, enough already. Now, that ain't no rap, and that ain't no racehorse.
Well, what is it then?
Well, obviously, that's the racetrack referee.
He doesn't know where he came from.
Stripes. It's quick, huh?
Or even what he is.
I never seen a black horse with white stripes before, you know?
Ebony and ivory.
Live together in perfect harmony.
Who does that thing belong to?
He was great, Dad. You should have seen him.
That was a one-shot deal.
But, Dad.
I said no.
Now he'll need a real coach.
That zebra really wants to race.
Look at this. 23 seconds to record a mile.
You just need to train him.
And more than a little help from his friends.
When'd you get out? Out of where? The Pokey. The Do-Right Ranch. The I Am Bar Inn. Come on, you can level with me.
Well, subdivide me and Kentucky Fry me.
To me, you're just a horse with stripes and needs an attitude adjustment.
Don't make me chew open a can of pony whoop.
If that's a racehorse, then I'm D-O-double-G, baby.
Well, unfortunately, I don't race nobodies.
Figures. All talk and no action.
All right, partner, step back and watch me work.
Now what?
Now you give it all you got.
He loves to run. It's in his heart.
You're doing great, kid. You're doing great.
You'll cheer until your horse Racing Stripes, directed by Frederick Duchaux.
Get out of there, Scuzz. That's the man's espresso.
I know. I'm expressing myself.
Look for it on DVD.